सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाइन शॉर्ट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation, Advanced Level, Shaheen Test 1 of Exercise 12 of Newspaper Notes, Dictation Speed 80 words per minute, Shorthand and Longhand, total time 48 minutes. Ready, start. At that time, they figured this grid power price was 6 cents per unit, whereas solar was 28 cents for utility scale grid connected power, and they targeted to bring solar down to 6 cents by the year 2020 full stop. They have to be classified as financing, which is not the same thing, and does not count towards meeting the revenue target or augmenting the tax to GDP ratio, full stop. But a clever way has been found to circumvent this law, and from what we understand, they will be showing privatization proceeds as non-tax revenues, full stop. In contrast, the Taliban are much more united and prepared for talks, full stop. Increasing international recognition has given the militia greater confidence, full stop. There is far too much negativity in the air, and some feedback I have received from those who follow my articles says they are keen to hear what suggestions, full stop, I might have for the government, rather than just relentless criticism, full stop. As per their survey, utility scale solar projects will have an average tariff of 4.8 cents per unit, beating the target set for the Sunshoot initiative, full stop. Likewise, they brought down the price of residential and commercial solar power from 52 and 40 cents to 16 and 11 cents respectively by 2017, full stop. It is a fair challenge and I accept, so here goes, full stop. Many civilians have also reportedly been killed in the attack by the air forces, full stop. They find that solar and wind will, in this year, beat the 700 GW of total operational coal-fired power generation worldwide, meaning the revolution will hit a tipping point in both financial and operational terms in this year, full stop. By the end of this year, they want these numbers down to 10 and 8 cents respectively, full stop. I have made it clear in the past that I am a big fan of the renewable energy revolution that is currently sweeping the world, full stop. From here, there is no looking back, full stop. Many of those who sat across the table with American officials in Doha are former inmates of the infamous Guantanamo prison, full stop. We are in the middle of a profound revolution in power generation that is perhaps similar to the revolution in communications that cellular phones ushered in about a decade and a half ago, full stop, establishing a relationship of trust with political parties has remained an elusive goal over the years, full stop, reportedly, in 2017, Tayyiba's family chose to withdraw their allegations or come to a compromise which almost always involves paying financial compensation, full stop. While on this occasion they were told the charges could not be withdrawn, they did not call for the punishment to be increased, full stop. The prospects of the Ashraf Ghani government, whose legitimacy has been challenged under a controversial election, coming up with a coherent position if and when talks with Kabul and the Taliban follow is uncertain, full stop. There is no indication yet of the insurgents agreeing to a permanent truce without an accord on the future political setup, full stop. The state was missing until social media created a public uproar and the ensuing rioting was reported widely on mainstream media. Stop writing, please.